In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add images to items in Square. Start by opening the Services Items menu in the sidebar, expanding the Items section, and selecting Channel Listings to go to the Item Management area. Click the Import Library link if you want to quickly bring in a catalog, or continue to create a new item manually. Next, open the Item Type dropdown and choose the most relevant type for your item, such as donation or event. Now, enter your item's name and price before moving on to enter a brief description that will be visible to your customers. Place the cursor in the customer-facing description box to add details about the item. Click inside the Keywords field in the Generate Description dialog if you'd like. Square to help you create a quick summary based on prompts. When you add an image, select your desired file and confirm your choice by clicking Done in the Image Picker. For additional images, choose Browse Files or Add from Image Library, then click Done again to attach more visuals to the item. To use the Direct Upload option, click the Browse Files link under the Image area, then finish by confirming your selection in the Image Library modal. Once you've reviewed all fields and images, click Save to store your item. After closing the editor, confirm saving changes if prompted. You can edit existing items by selecting your item from the library and repeating the image addition process as before. Add new images at any time from the image library by selecting Upload and clicking Done to finalize your choices. Finally, save your changes and refresh the item library page to see your updates in Square. You've now learned how to add images to items in Square.